Hello everyone. Before we connect a remote controller with control system, we need to check how many blinds we want to operate by the remote controller, in which determines how many channels we are supposed to set on this remote controller. This video demonstrates how to set channels quantity on the remote controller. Now let's take off the back cover. There are two code keys P2. Both of them are with the same functions. Hold pressing the setting button into setting mode. The setting icon arises on the screen. Then press channel button to choose how many channels required. After confirming the channels, press one of the code key P2 3 times consecutively. While setting is done, you can switch the channel buttons to check if A is setting successfully. Did you get it?